In this video, we will create a stunning design using Canva. It will look like this. So let's create. Open a blank video page, click on elements. In the search box, search for forest. Click on photos. Let's select this image. Right click on this image and set image as background. Add a new page. Click on background color and let's select black color. Add a heading. Now change its font. Increase its size. Now again click on elements. In the search box, search for pine tree. Let's select this image. Place it on bottom side and then duplicate and place it here like this, and again duplicate and place here as well. Now click on download, select PNG and download this image. Upload this downloaded image on page 1. Like this is the text. Increase its size and remove its background color. Now it will look like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.